Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Trade Advantage. Today, I'm sharing something truly special, a tool I've put a lot of effort into building to help you trade smarter. I'm giving you access to my Smart Money Management Excel sheet, designed to help traders manage risk effectively and stay disciplined while trading stocks, options, forex, or crypto. And it's completely free for all my subscribers. Here's how this sheet works. Start by setting your initial account balance, whether it's $1,000, $10,000, or any other amount. Decide how much of your account you want to risk per trade. For example, if you choose 5%, the sheet will calculate the exact trade size for you. After each trade, use the drop-down menu to select if it's a win or loss. The sheet automatically adjusts the next trade size, reducing it after losses to protect your capital and increasing it slightly after wins to help grow your account. This sheet is perfect for staying disciplined, following a strategy, and avoiding emotional decision making. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this tool will help you stick to your plan and manage risk effectively. I've put a lot of time and effort into creating this sheet to make trading safer and more systematic for everyone. If you'd like to support my work and the channel, you can donate via PayPal or Bitcoin. The PayPal donation link is in the description, as well as my Bitcoin wallet address. This will help creating more tools, videos, and resources for this amazing trading community. This Excel sheet is protected with a password to ensure it remains intact when you download it. The password is, just type it in when prompted, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and download the Excel sheet using the link in the description. Let me know in the comments how it works for you, or if you'd like to see more tools like this. See you in the next video.